Hey there, today we're going to look at how to install Python 3, 12.1 in VS Code. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Python website. Over here, search for Python download and click on the download link for Python 3, 12.1. After that, wait for the installer to finish downloading. Then, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer to start the setup. Over here, check the box that says Add Python to Path and click Install Now. After that, wait a few minutes for the installation to complete. Then open Visual Studio Code. Over here, if you don't have VS Code, download it from the official Microsoft website. After that, click on the extensions icon on the left sidebar, or press Ctrl+Shift+X. Then type Python in the search bar and install the official Python extension by Microsoft. Over here, this extension adds IntelliSense, linting, and debugging. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.